Hey guys, today's video is going to be on how to break a base when you're doing hair color.
So for those of you who don't know, base breaking is making the root or in-between color lighter than the natural color. This is achieved by putting a lighter color on the client's natural hair, and you would apply it the same way that you apply a single process. You have 4 options when it comes to base breaking. The first one is that you can just break the base and not add any depth or any dimension back into the hair. With highlights, it would just be a flat single process blonde. You always want to use at least 20 volume when breaking the base because you want it to lighten. If you're using a high lift color, you can use 30 or 40 volume, and that would be based on the high lift color directions. The second option is that you can rinse out the color after you finish putting it on and it finished processing, and then you can dry the hair and then add the depth back in with highlights. The third option is that you could add the highlights first, and as they process, add the single process color, which would be the base breaking color, and then you would rinse out the single process or base breaking color and the foils at the same time. This is the best way to do this because the highlights that you're putting on is going to only have to lift that natural color, and it's not going to have to break through that single process color. The fourth way is the way that I did it in this video, and it's probably the least desirable. It takes probably the longest amount of time besides the second option that I gave you, and it's just the least desirable. So what I did here is I did the base breaking first, which was the single process color, then I added the highlights on top of the single process color. This is going to take the highlights the longest to process because they have to break through that fresh color that I just put on.
Thank you guys so much for your love and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Until next time, work hard, dream big, eat cake. Bye guys.